is tuning from overseas and nabunin ko lang ulit kata-kata buling ande kay na mga tunde na ngito rakabi be kimani na lubibiti
Right.
di sama tumay na bi kala po ngito rakabi na bi sa urbura and matagli ko ni Andra ni mata binaka Eleanor and binaka Demesi.
Yan Rabinaka, good morning everyone tuning in this fine morning. It's Wednesday
Oh.
and the weather is lovely just like any other day.
Yeah.
And I am sending my best wishes to all the students.
Right.
Yeah.
What in the bus right now, some may be finding it hard
Yeah.
to reach work or school
Dina.
on time. Maybe because of the traffic that is
Oh.
faced this morning.
Yeah.
Yan naman ni Samuel may matangani ko kamaruta kibekito.
Kamaruta kindina.
Right. Paano ni benak ngona bigam ni kansaro kanda? Ano bu kunin non tabi sa matito kaya mataka na ni ko.
I would like to say good morning to all the drivers out there. Thank you very much for your support. To all the public transport.
Right.
We sleep, they wake up.
Yeah.
Right.
When they wake up, they trying with their very best. They are the last passengers.
Yeah.
Because they are driver.
Right.
Inside the bus, we call each other passengers.
Right.
But due to whatever they took,
Yeah.
we say they are the drivers.
And binaka na LM69 no sorry to sa musikumay. Wais pinabalom sa akin nanumpas dia na matangani ko. When you climb the lemon tree, some botona, some without the botona.
Yes.
How do you navigate yourself?
Right. How do you manage to
around
reach the top?
the botona
Yes.
one?
Because the Makabutona, it's not big enough.
Yeah.
So, in between, you can put your leg. In between the gap of the Bakabotona.
Oi.
You can put your leg there.
Right, because you
In
have
between,
skinny
you can
legs.
put your hand. Mototauri. Mombutu.
Oy.
Wasa mambita na mo yan na malo ni botona.
Dito namin na may pakasaw. Hey, good morning to Ben Tari and Sunny Boy. Good
Yeah,
morning
yeah.
to you and the family.
All right, King.
Yeah.
When was the last time you used the mosquito net?
Now at home, we got one.
Right. But are you
Before?
using it? Are you using it? Are you using it?
Yeah, because
Every day.
the weather is not
Favorable.
kata-kata.
Right.
So we never use this one. We just use some mosquito coil.
Oh, okay.
To
Right.
help
Yes,
us.
Nanogutaro, when was the last time?
The last time, maybe last year, in the daytime.
Why? Because protect yourself from what?
But because of
Flies.
the flies and the mosquito.
Right.
Yeah.
Because there is a
And
time.
the kitty cat.
Kitty cat. Because so many mosquito too in the daytime, eh?
Yeah,
right.
Depend on the weather,
Yeah.
where we staying like that, eh?
Yeah.
So mosquito too.
So different mosquito, different style of bite.
Yeah.
Right.
Baka na, sometimes when you go to the titi,
Yes.
doon na langos yan na mo.
Gor na langon ni Ose.
And
Yun na langon ni
the-
Ose kung ka timus, kung
Ose na
kalilin.
nga.
Right.
Langon ni Ose gori.
Buwe.
Kung nilangon ni Ose daw tombo may bangko.
So na, binda baka si single ito man nga, durumbo te man nga non di sulu na non
Nambatina.
Iyo.
nambatina.
Iyo, nangon na
Yes.
sanda on may kinabaya when they trying to fishing our cigarettes.
Iyo.
Because it's wet. The very painful part
okay.
is when your body is wet in your cigarette.
Right.
So they come and bite it. They thought we are the host.
You know, and the funny thing is, you know that only the female mosquitoes bite, not the male. It's the female that is biting.
That's why I asked you.
Nowadays, the
Mosquitoes.
change of weather pattern, not male to bite.
No, that's facts about.
If you say the female only, then why there is so many mosquito? Because the male to bite.
Yeah, but they bite.
They bite professionally. Okay. Okay. Do you sleep well using the mosquito net or the mosquito coil?
Myself, it's good to sleep in the mosquito coil.
Yes.
And Sangay itu kan kanggo mencuri.
Lumayan benar ka. Napakay may nadi.
Binabalim sa arbito kan bulma biki binabalim kata bayinan dia na matari ko. Okay, Demes is saying, a few months back that his momo tavale from Kandavu can nunu free dive for how many minutes?
5 minutes.
What about?
Yeah, this is a true story.
Yeah.
And when Tua was alive,
Yeah.
he never believed this because no evidence.
Right.
This the father from
No,
Tine Abu's uncle.
Yes, yes.
Momo from Mbulia.
Iya.
He
Free dive.
He free dive
5 minutes.
5 minutes in the sea. So the people coming from overseas, Korto Naturani Papalangi,
Iya.
Yes.
o Fadandelai
Iya.
from Bulia.
Dolo erbina ka turungan night.
Iyo.
Iya.
Fadandelai from Bulia. He spend his 5 minutes in the
Boy.
underwater.
Ayo
Free
sana.
Okay, the world record
Iya.
is 29 minutes.
Ha?
Huh? The world record is 29
Wanita
minutes.
boleh molas ya.
Boleh molas ko best
Ana
na
siya nganinduan na si Bitim
He
Bulia.
doesn't want his Tata to be beaten in this record. Yeah.
Ibay.
Yeah.
Mangaratik ko.
Awa, the world record for bola oxygen. Yang kayo 29 minutes sa diri.
Okay, the average person can hold their breath underwater for about 30 to 90 seconds.
Okay. With training, individuals can extend
This
this
to 3 to
Yeah.
5 minutes or longer, yeah.
Oh, sa
Iyo,
yawa.
kan malbale, he's very good. He's very
Iyo.
good. Yes.
Kan daw nun. Orang mandangan na bonu. And irsabu when the turtle coming down.
Yes.
When they see him, ersabi kilay talitu.
Saan na?
Ersabi nirsanda we ni santin tinon tiway.
Rabi bunital.
Right.
Iyo. Ni the people from overseas they come. They want to take him to overseas.
Oi.
Because
Oy.
orto sa bango ndo ambe kana kabu ni tuwe kwango ni ro sabo tu ro le stele mai ro se linga mai ni kwango sangkai butu tu me pakamalu.
Boy.
5 minutes daytime.
So imagine if your father from Bulia, namu
Tatandelay.
tatandelay from Bulia, melisilikai.
Oh, lambe maya sinendran ramu pasang
Berapa?
kalima.
5
Sila
minutes,
talaga
baka samantang
Iyo,
5
5 minutes.
minutes.
That's too long for
Dosa-
someone to
iyo.
remain underwater.
Iyo. Ya sampala besar nga.
Boy,
Iyo.
he should be recruited for the Fiji Navy.
Yeah, he's got a. When we come, hey, who's that?
Iyo.
When we come, when we come at home,
Yes.
we drink grog there. We finish out itu bikito kasi bulan-bulan bilang
We
sartua.
know he's got
Right,
very
right,
strong
right,
lungs.
Okay,
Iya.
sambung tutunan namu tubo-tubo mo borok kina na record ko.
Yan ang kay puro ka nga nagumata mo ba? Nakita ko may tala-tala nga ba, may tamani.
Talo-talo mga dua. The end, no, Ali?
Mula nakabaso. Ang nga naman ko San Francisco.
Oh, meron na kaya
Sinindo biya may matitunawa sa bula.
Apa tangan namin suwa. Bitar tu akhir to na 900,000 lain nunu.
Siguro tamay maki, corre ruoti ko na bido-bido. Tahu beko
Isa.
asa na turba, atau siya matug may napakay may nanti pa
Yan,
mo
Ryan,
pale.
ka.
O Jim turang arua.
Ano ba ka bilis niya John Kumar yan ba ka to all our friends from Mbararo Valley in Singatoka.
May lebu ka, chito
Tamay
luko,
makalina na
luto
rin.
yan na ka.
Hoy, 5 na minutes siya sambuyaw saranga.
Hai.
Ay, tutukon din na.
Iya.
Era talo ta kasarang nga ramay ka.
Hmm.
Barta wala nga ni sinimbiw na All Guinness Book of Record eh.
Iya.
Kaya kami mbiw siya nga. Der roti ni kay kandabu.
So talang beko ni kila rani
Iya.
5 minutes Sivia, bita may na comment section.
Ano?
Sa boso tapa manda.
Nakay ko rin ka mo bitak na mo Malaysia lagi baka na
Bagils.
baka
Na Baguio.
Baka sena.
Iya.
Mo baka sena.
Mesen ratu nga sa ala diway.
Iyo. Kaji.
Kita
Eh, berapa besar beto kan na mataka ni kuha rumah mataka ni mataka. Like
Kanila
like
ka
na
taga
share.
bago
Bakit
ikaw na
mundo?
bumubale. Siguro may aki kunila ka taka, gay ikaw na bumubale.